Naipunya Vikasam, Functional English and Life Skills, Class 10th, Module 4, Homonyms. I am Purnima Kolasani, working as English and Life Skills Trainer in AP Balayogi Gurukulam, Vatluru, West Godavari District. Welcome to my session. Let us start this session with a conversation. This is a conversation between two friends, Ramu and Raju. Hi Raju. Hi, come. Please take some popcorn. Thank you for your offering, Raju. Hey, sorry, popcorn is about to over. I will get you another one. Do you have any change with you? Change? What do you want to change in me? Anything wrong in my behavior? Raju was astonished. Children, did you observe the conversation? Here, Raju is asking about change for money to buy popcorn. But Ramu didn't understand the meaning of the word change. In the same sense, if you ask the meaning of a particular word to your teacher, she or he would ask you to read the complete sentence, but not the word. Right? By this, you can understand the point that the meaning can differ on the basis of the concept or situation. And you can also observe from the conversation that one word with same spelling and pronunciation can differ from the situation. So let us start our today's class about confusing word, that is homonyms. Children, while reading English, you have an experience that some words which are very similar has different meanings. And you were surprised in some situation to notice the word with correct meaning. What are homonyms? Homonyms are the words with same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meaning. Homonyms are like twins, look alike, sound alike, yet not the same. Homonyms are the words that have same spelling and pronunciation. Homonyms is a word derived from the Greek word that is homonymous. Homo is equal to common, nyms is equal to name. By this, we can say that homonyms are the words that sound and spelled same as another word but differs in meaning. Now, I would like to explain with more and more examples for your better understanding. Children, you have to observe and should listen carefully that each word will repeat 2 times and are used in 2 different situations. As I told you earlier, the word contains same spelling and same pronunciation, but the usage and meaning differs. Come, let us start. The first word is back. Keep calm. I will be back in 5 minutes. And the next usage is she sat on the back bench. Children, you can see the variation of the usage of the same word. Next word is bat. I am afraid of bat. You know, children, bat is a mammal. It's a living organism. And the next usage is I like cricket bat. You are very fond of cricket, right? And the next word is bank. He jumped in and swam to the opposite bank. Here, bank means river bank. And the next usage of the same word is I worked for a bank. Here it is talking about the employee of a bank. And the next word is capital. You should write your name in capital letters. And the next usage of the same word is Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Next word is cool. He swam out into the cool water. Here they are talking about the condition of the water, that is cool. And the next usage is when tempers had cooled, he apologized. And the next word is drop. A single drop of blood splashed onto the floor. And the next usage of the same word is the apples are beginning to drop from the trees. Next word, fan. He is turning on the electric fan. And he is a big fan of that hero. Here they are talking about your favorite hero. And the next word is fine. I am very fine. Next usage is ₹50 fine for parking your vehicle in wrong place. You came across this word in schools also. If you are come late, you will get fine. And the next word is fly. Let's fly a kite. And the next usage of the same word is a fly was buzzing against the window. Here the fly is a living organism, you know, children. And the next word is leaves. The bus leaves at 12:30 p.m. And the other usage of the word is leaves. The tree leaves are beautiful. And the next word is left. The bus left for Vijayawada last night. And this word also you be used as look left and right before you cross the road. And the next word is letter. There is a letter for you. It is also called as envelope, right? And the next usage is B is the second letter of the alphabet. And the next word is match. Her fingerprints match those found at the scene of crime. This word came across in CID serial, right children? Match. If you suspect a gas leak, do not strike a match. That is matchbox. Next word is mind. I hope don't mind the noise. And the next usage is there were all kinds of thoughts running through my mind. And the next word is nail. I have broken my nail. This is also can be used as in another way, that is the key was hanging on a nail by the door. And the next word is park. There is a car park outside my house. That is called as parking, right? Parking. And again it can be used as a noun. We went for a walk in the park. Usually you children used to play in the park. Yes? Next word, right. Take a right turn at the crossroad. Next usage, I'm sure I'm right. You used to discuss with your friends that you are right, right? Next word is rose. She has a rose garden. In the same way, rose can be used as a second form of verb, rise. They rose from the bed late. Next word, saw. Saw is a tool that has a long blade with sharp points along of its edges. And saw is also a second verb form of a see. Last night I saw a movie. Second, the water flows at about 1.5 meters per second. The next usage of the second is this is the second time it's happened. Next word is sign. You forgot to sign on the check. And the same usage for the same word is headache may be a sign of stress. Next word is stick. Stick. Don't stick your fingers through the bars of the cage. And the next usage is The boys were throwing sticks and stones at the dog. The next word is tie. He had to tie her hands together. Next usage. I wear shirt and tie at work. Next word is watch. I glanced at my watch. The same word can be used in another way also, like I like watching TV every night. And the last example for you is well. The dog fell down a well. And another usage of the same word is the conference was very well organized. Here children, what I mean to say is I am explaining more and more examples for your better understanding. Okay, thank you.